U.S. President Barack Obama says he is committed to working with Congress to pass comprehensive reform of the U.S. immigration system. He met recently with lawmakers and administration officials to discuss ways to improve policy. Some people have been seeking divine intervention to convince President Obama and Congress to enact immigration reform this year.
I pray that Obama has a social conscience, that he recognizes the fact that we are all family and there is no illegal human being on this earth.
This crowd waited to hear back from Congressman Luis Gutierrez, one of several legislators who met with President Obama to discuss immigration.
Good meeting. I mean, he he did what I think we asked him to do, be president of the United States and to lead.
President Obama's administration had postponed previous discussions on immigration, but Gutierrez says now that Mr. Obama has put Homeland Security Secretary Janet Napolitano in charge of spearheading the immigration discussion, he hopes the process will move forward.
We want to get this into the Senate, have hearings in September, start preparing stuff in the House of Representatives, and hopefully get it done in October in the Senate, and then finish up in November in the House of Representatives so we can get the bill signed before Christmas.
At the heart of the immigration debate for this and other groups is the deportation of illegal immigrants. Advocates want that to end. Reverend Walter Coleman.
In that family, in that country where the average length of a marriage now is 2 years, to have millions of people fighting to stay together as families and willing to struggle publicly is a message from God that this country has to listen to.
Emma Lozano of the Chicago-based group People Without Borders says opponents of immigration reform who accuse illegal immigrants of breaking the law don't understand their plight.
The law is broken. I mean, we have families that are married, their children are U.S. citizens, and they're being deported. And so we need to fix the law so that there isn't that separation of family.
Latinos make up the majority of the estimated 12 million undocumented immigrants in the United States, but other cultures are equally affected. Lozano makes no apologies for pushing for legislation that benefits Latinos.
We have to do what we have to do to keep our families together. We're not afraid of that because the truth is the Latino vote is what changed the Congress and changed the Senate. And many Latinos used to be Republicans, and they made a decision to cross over because of this issue.
Congressman Gutierrez challenges other groups to speak up on immigration.
We understand that there's a greater community, but people should ask themselves, and I'm not going to give you the answer, just give you a hint. Could it be that we're the only ones speaking to the issue? I don't think we're, because I'm certainly not one that has told Polish-American congressmen or African-American congressmen or Irish-American congressmen not to speak. They have the bully pulpit. Maybe they should speak.